Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to record the live audio that you hear right now using your Xiaomi Mijia smart audio glasses in the app. So as you can see here, I do have got these glasses in the app. This application is called the Xiaomi Glasses. So once you're here, open the recordings tab, here tap live recording, and tap this tag icon if you want to save the recording. Now, when I say something, the microphone that are because there are two microphones that are in the glasses are taking my audio, recording it, and we can then play this recording on our device. And now it's 20 seconds. Let me tap this tag icon, tap OK, and now phone search. Now I can play it. As you can see, there will be subtitles and it works. Now, when I say something, the microphone that are in the glasses are taking my audio, recording it, and we can then play this recording on our device. And now it's 20 seconds. Now, as you can see, it works. Goodbye.